Have you heard of this hidden gem in Girgaum? They serve up some tasty Bhelpuri and street food. Bhelpuri isn't just any old street food. It's a mood booster that will have you feeling on top of the world. If you're a fan of Bhelpuri, check out these top 6 spots in Mumbai for the ultimate snacking experience. Let's go get our snack on. Gupta Bhelpuri Center. If you are craving some delicious street food, head over to Gupta Bhelpuri Center. Their menu includes Sev Puri toast sandwich, Pani Puri, Masala Puri and Dahi Puri. The shop is open from 11 am to 10:30 pm 7 days a week and can be found at Shop 3, Haresh Villa, Nehru Road near Adarsh Petrol Pump, Mumbai 400057. A meal for 2 people will only cost you around 150 rupees. VIJAYLAXMI Bhelpuri House is a great place to enjoy delicious street food at affordable prices. Their menu offers Pani Puri, Dahi Bhel, Sev Puri and Dahi Puri. Their location is convenient as it's situated at Priyadarshini Building, Mahatma Phule Road, opposite Allahabad Bank, Dombivli West, Thane 421202. The cost for 2 is 100 rupees. Their timing is from 4:15 pm to 11 pm Monday to Sunday. Bombay Bhelpuri gives you a variety of options to choose from. Their menu features Dahi Bhelpuri, Cheese Bhelpuri and Bombay Special Bhelpuri. Their timing is from 10 am to 10 pm Monday to Sunday and located at 70 Juhu Beach, Juhu, Mumbai 400049. The cost for 2 is reasonable at 200 rupees. Hari Om Sandwich and Bhelpuri Center is a great place to enjoy delicious street food. Their menu features mixed Gila Bhel, mixed Sukha Bhel, mixed Sev Puri and Bhel with cheese. Their timing is from 2 pm to 11 pm Monday to Sunday and located at 133 Natlal Bhavan, Vitthal Bhai Patel Road, Khandiwadi, Ambewadi, Girgaum, Mumbai 400024. The cost for 2 is reasonable at 200 rupees. Jain Sweet and Bhelpuri House is a great place to enjoy a variety of street snacks. Their menu features samosa pav, Bhelpuri and Pani Puri. Their timing is from 8 am to 11 pm Monday to Sunday and is located at Shop 23 and 24, Raj Arcade, Mahavir Nagar, Kandivali West, Mumbai 400067 and is easily accessible. The cost for 2 is reasonable at 400 rupees. Monsoon Chaat Corner. Monsoon Chaat Corner in Andheri seems like a great place to enjoy a variety of fast food items. Their menu features Pani Puri, Sev Puri, Dahi Puri, Bhel Puri and Delhi Samosa Chaat. Their timing is from 8:30 am to 12 am Monday to Sunday and is located at Shop 16, Benzer, 2nd Lane, Lokhandwala Complex, Andheri Lokhandwala, Andheri West, Mumbai 400053. The cost for 2 is reasonable at 400 rupees. In conclusion, Mumbai's street food scene is incomplete without Bhelpuri. Check out these 6 hidden gems for a scrumptious snacking experience that won't break the bank.